It's a good morning. So, for today's video, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na na-practice mo na ba yung paano ka magpasalamat? Yeah, it's a good thing that you are so thankful for every day, and when you receive something, you are saying thank you and alhamdulillah, and like expressing your gratitude. Being thankful, guys, is a kind of positive way to express your gratitude. And do you know what, guys? Kapag may nagte-thank you sa inyo, ang sarap-sarap sa pakiramdam. Na alam mo yon, yung simpleng salitang thank you is nakakagaan ng pakiramdam. Kahit maliit or malaking bagay, yung mga nare-receive mo sa buhay mo, lagi tayo dapat na magpasalamat. Yun lang, guys. Please don't forget to hit like and share. And it's Mel always saying, stay motivated and